What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Solana. Currently sitting at 241. We're up 4% on the day. In the last month, Sol is up an absolutely whopping 45%. The last 7 days, we're looking at only 3%, but the last, it must be higher than that in the last 3 months. 85% for our friend Solana. So we're seeing a market cap of 115 billion, 25 volume, 8.22 million. So if we hop into the charts, as we can see, we came right back into our wave forward pullback zone. Let's see if we have, I'm sure we have some divergence here. Give me the money flow. Give me the RSI. 4-hour chart. Do we have divergence? Yeah, a small one on the RSI. Bro, what's going on with my settings? Turn this shit off. Give me a... Yeah, why is it yellow? Yellow's gross. Give me white. Make it larger. That's what she said. Is that low-key racist? Wow. Okay, Solana. So we don't have much of a divergence. Let me check the hourly chart because we do have a lower low. There's your we have a little bit of divergence, but not too much. But anyways, we are starting to push back to the upside. So we have a wave 4 pullback, and now you look to push up in a wave 5. Take a trend-based extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. And you can target, most likely you're going to push probably past the 61.8. But the first target would be 283. And your next target would be $300. And that will complete the larger wave 3 pullback in a 4, push up in a 5. So if I zoom out onto the daily chart, you can see the resistance is the previous all-time high. Once we break that, you go straight into price discovery. But we can give targets based off Elliott wave and fib extension. So if you take a fib extension from the bear market low all the way up to this wave 1 high to the wave 2 low, this can give you your wave 3 target, which is all the way up at $431. But these can overextend. The wave 3s can overextend, and you often see that in a bull market. So your next target would be all the way up at $632. I do think very good chance Sol goes in between 600 to 800. And if Bitcoin goes to 200K, then I think you'll easily see a $1,000 Sol. But in the meantime, off the bear market low, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. I'm already up 11x. I got in at $19 way down here. So I'm up to more. I took some profits at an 11x gain. And currently I'm up about a 12x gain. So very happy with that. I'll take more profits, probably 15x and then 20x, and let my last little bit ride to see if I go for 25, 30x. I'll be happy with that. So the next target is 431. And basically what you're looking for in the short term, let me zoom out a little bit. So off this low of $108, wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, push up 3, complete a 4, and then push up in a wave 5, and that will take you up towards $400. And then if we zoom out, that will complete that larger wave 3 at about 431, pull back in a 4, push up in a 5. But as I mentioned, these wave 3s can overextend. We've just hit our take profit on our Polygon trade. We're in multiple trades. If you want completely free access not only to my trade signals, but my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, my forex signals, you can see exactly what I'm invested in and when I'm taking my profits, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day long, completely free access. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Will literally take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. And just takes 30 seconds of your time, then send me an email. This is really the best deal in crypto YouTube. You get my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, and one of our members giving trade signals all day long. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.